Hello, you're welcome back to this tutorial. So this WhatsApp autoresponder which help you to reply to messages while you are off WhatsApp. So you can see it. This is the premium version. As you can see, this is the premium version, and you can actually use it for SDNL. You can use it for autorespondent for VB. You can use it for Telegram. This is for IG, Instagram. You can use it for Facebook. So you can actually use it for a lot of stuff, not only WhatsApp. But it's majorly used for WhatsApp. As you can see, the name is called autoresponder for WhatsApp. But you have other versions. You have other possibilities. There are a lot of things that you can do. So I'll take you straight. You can see that my responder is actually turned on because I'm currently using it. So I can turn it off by clicking on it. So these are the messages you create. Once you open up, this is what it's going to show to you. So you can edit the message. So this is what you do. So what I set up here is that if anybody send me this message, like, can I learn more about your background? This is what the person is going to do. The person is going to receive this message from me. So I don't have to be online. This is what the person will get. This is rule 1 that I set up. This is another rule. If anybody message me and say that I'm interested, can you tell me more? This is the message I'm going to send to the person. So the autoresponder will automatically send this message to the person. So if somebody say, I saw this on Facebook, it's going to receive this message. So how do you add rules? You click on this your plus sign button around here. This is your plus sign button, and then you can create rules. Just say hello. You can see the response will come up. I am not around, something like that. So what this means is that if anybody say hello, it's going to receive I am not around. So I will go back. So that's how you create rules. You have nothing more to do with autoresponder, and you can also set it in a way that I want to show you. As you can see, all these messages, they are all the same. So there's something I wrote here. Let me show you. Okay, I said reply with joined if you have joined the group, and save my number. Yours is saved. So this thing now join that I put here, I'll create another rules for it. So this is the rules, because it is what they write that we respond to. So once they click on join after they receive that message, now I have a rule for the join also. All right, if you reach this part, it means you are among the 1% of the people who finish what they started. Can you stay tuned for the class which folds it? Okay, that is that. So this is the message the person is going to receive after the person has clicked join, has typed joined. You receive this message. So a lot of you are seeing something like this most cases when you enter people's DM. So this is how they go about it, and it's very easy. So you get this app alongside this course, and you can practice and know how it works. You can see my responder is currently turned off, and I can also turn it on. Once I turn it on like this, any message on my WhatsApp, it will automatically be replying them. So this is how autoresponder work.